And 32. And 3-2. We have possible raise it up.
Namoho ko. Ay, siya sa window ko. Putang na. Oh,
Sure.
nasa window. 69. Ayop. Nasa window.
Hold on, sir. Special.
In the window. Ayos. Hindi pa 500 sana.
Is that a winner?
Mag-window agad siya. 9 at saka 69. Ayun na nga eh. Ayun na, yung bandera. Baka na kamali, sana malampasan. Sana lampasan. Ha? Aha. May tumama ni ate isa eh.
Fairways.
All right, that fairways.
Sandali.
Are there any others in 32? If not, continuing on, your next bid number. Well, 69.
Bingo!
We have possible raise it up.
Yes! O yung aking ano pa. Andiyan pa yung iba kong card.
6, 5, 2, 3, 3.
Well, that's one.
Say 5 more, right?
Yeah, yeah.
The other player waves. So far, we have one confirmed winner. Are there any others?
Only one?
Any others?
Oh!
32. The winners for
Ay, bingo ko, bingo ko, bingo ko, bingo ko, bingo ko.
Once again, last call for your first place.
Really?
We need $400
I didn't know. I didn't know. I didn't know.
Anyone else need a floor special?